Mastering focus, practical steps to achieve your goals. In a world full of distractions, it's crucial to stay focused on our goals. Here are some practical steps to help you do just that. First, set clear, achievable goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve and make sure it's something within your reach. Next, break down those big goals into smaller tasks. This strategy will make them more manageable and less overwhelming. Prioritization and time management are key. Learn to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. And remember, managing your time effectively is crucial to staying on track. Create a distraction-free environment. Minimize distractions in your workspace, whether it's turning off notifications or finding a quiet place to work. Taking regular breaks and practicing self-care is essential. Avoid burnout by giving yourself time to rest and recharge. Track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. This will keep you motivated and help you stay focused on your goals.